How to log in TikTok account on PC. Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. Today in this video we will guide you through on how we can log in TikTok in our PC. So without any delay, let's get ahead with the process and see how we can do that. So before that, don't forget to hit that like, share and subscribe icon, but let's just get ahead with the process. First of all, open up your browser, any of your browser that is available, and simply head over to TikTok, and you can find different links available. We're just gonna head over to the first link, that is www.tiktok.com, where we will be seeing this page. So here are two options available on this page. Directly login. To login, you can click on any of the button. I'm clicking on the upper right corner one. You can click on any one. And here you will be finding different options like using your phone number, email or username, or continue with Facebook, Google and Apple. So if you choose Facebook, Google and Apple, you just need to confirm the access and you'll be easily logged in. But if you use your phone number or your email address, you need to enter your phone number first and then enter your 6-digit code that you will be receiving on your phone number. Otherwise, in order to enter your email, just log in with email and your username and your password, and then successfully signed in and log in, and that is it. That is how you log in into your TikTok using your PC. So follow the steps. So I hope this video was helpful to you, and thank you for watching this video.